How to split video in edits. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do splits and cut the videos. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle you can see this project icon. Simply tap on this project icon. So this is the project section. Here you can create a new project or open older ones. Here I'm tapping on my older ones. Now simply tap on the video or the audio that you want to split. So here I'm tapping on one. Now here on the bottom there are different tools available. On the first option you can see split. Simply tap on split. So as you can see, the voice or the audio has been splitted. Now you can adjust it and you can even edit it wherever you want to keep it. So this has become a different section. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.